Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can find and remove all viruses on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also please put your likes and write comments. So friends, let's go ahead and get started. And to begin with, please open on your iPhone to Settings. And then scroll down to the bottom. Go to the Apps section. And here, please find the Safari app. Open it up because Safari is often the culprit for getting any viruses on your iPhone. So friends, next scroll down to the very bottom. Click on More Website Data. And friends, if you have any website data and history here, please click on Delete Website Data option. Now exit from the settings. Next, you will need to open the Files app. After which you'll need to find the section on My iPhone or perhaps iCloud. And next, select the Downloads section. Here also, friends, there may be various files that you have downloaded, perhaps from the internet, from some websites that may carry danger and some viruses. So make sure you delete all the files in your downloads. Next, I recommend that you reopen your settings. Go to General, then System Update, and please make sure that your iPhone is updated to the latest version, because in the latest versions of iOS, a lot of attention is paid to the protection and security of your iPhone. I also recommend you to switch to Automatic Update and also enable it if you don't have it enabled. These are the ways, friends, you will be able to find, remove viruses on your iPhone. I really hope you found the video helpful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Take care, friends.